Oh my gosh. I hope that turned out as awesome on the GoPro as it actually was.
Maybe I've been slipping back, heading south, car sick on a Tuesday, missing cash, blacking out.
Really early. The sun is rising. I'm going to fly.
Like too late, please calm the road down. I'll do whatever you say. I get it, I'm living too hard and it's time that I stop it. For rising on up and then tumbling down, well, it's part of the process. Bar tabs on a hot night.
Sorry, you can't have it over the park.
This park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately, this is Homeland Security next door with your water department. And then Navy Pier's real funny about it too.
Alright. Yeah, you too.
I'm crazy, but I feel amazing. My mother told me that.
What's up? I'm in Chicago. Gonna do some flying, hopefully. You probably saw some already from this morning. That was interesting. Got kicked out by security earlier this morning. We're just having fun, checking things out. I'm on a rental bike right now. And yeah, this thing is really, really loud.
Not much to say, but I swear that I'd like to say. I can't sleep, I hope I stay awake. 'Cause I've been running all day. I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
Check this out, this is cool.
Out, moving quick, burning the wick at both ends, screaming loud, Tuesday, scaring all of my friends.
Alright, so we're gonna fly. It's really noisy because we're right next to Lakeshore Drive. But right there is where we're gonna fly, this field. There really isn't a lot to fly there except for I should be able to get a nice shot of the skyline. Let's go fly. Thanks for watching. Chicago is awesome. The flight footage was awesome, hopefully. Got some really awesome shots. Super view of this entire city, which is a really nice city, beautiful city, at least from the sky. And if you guys like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet turned the notifications on, do so. That will let you know when I come up with a new video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so as well, because I do this stuff every week. I do crazy adventures like this, ripping Chicago, like come on. And yeah, if you have any comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.
I want a new